let me show you how to use Google Map to reach your destination. First of all, you have to open your Google Map. Now use the portrait view for better understanding. First of all, you are going to write the name of your destination here. For example, let me type it like this is the name of our destination. So now it shows the destination here. Then if you want to go to that destination, just click here, this start. Now it is showing you the distance. This is our destination, and it is about 2.2 kilometers. That is, if we are going there by foot, we will reach there by 28 minutes. If you are going there by car, just click here, that is direction. Then you can select, you can go there by car, that is in 7 minute time, or by a motorcycle with 6 minutes, or you can also go by train, which will here train is not available, and this is by foot if you trek. I hope you found this video really interesting, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share.